Hey guys, Brandon Sanchez here, and in this video, I wanted to teach you guys how to optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, this is a question I get a lot, and a lot of guys think that they can just, split test a whole bunch of different campaigns, find a winner, and make $1 million, right? Well, if you ever launch an affiliate campaign, you know that that is not the way the game goes, okay? The way you make money in this business is from optimization and split testing, okay? Because anybody can literally set up campaigns, launch, and pray that they'll make money, right? That's not what successful affiliates do. Okay, successful affiliates launch a campaign that's already losing money, right? And then optimizing it and split testing it into profitability. Okay, that's what's gonna get you guys making money. Okay, not don't do the spray and pray method. Okay, you want to test different offers, but then you also want to know how to optimize in the back end. Okay, that's a skill that has made me a lot of money. As you guys know, I spent a lot of money. I spent easily 6 figures a month on ads. Okay, and one thing that was like a big aha breakthrough moment was really mastering my craft at the optimization process. Okay, so this image that you're seeing right here is a visual representation of how to optimize your campaigns. Okay, and this goes for if you're an affiliate or if you're trying to generate leads for your own business or for an agency. It doesn't matter, guys. This is the same optimization process that goes across all the traffic sources. Okay, this is especially for native, right? Like Revcontent, Taboola, Outbrain. This is for Facebook. This is for Google Display, Google Search. Well, not search. This is Google Display and YouTube as well. Because at the end of the day, Google and YouTube have the same targeting methods in terms of the display network, so you can use this across all these channels. Okay, and also, and the only reason why I'm mentioning these channels is because these are the channels that I actually run traffic for. Okay, easily 6 figures on all of them. Okay, so what you guys have to understand as an affiliate, the number one variable in a campaign, okay, is going to be your offer. Okay, you're going to need to test multiple offers or the same offer from different affiliate networks. Okay, and the reason why you want to test different affiliate networks that have the same offer is because you'd be surprised as you launch one offer from, let's say, A4D, and then you launch another offer from, let's just say, ClickBooth, the same exact offer, but for some reason the one at ClickBooth has a higher EPC, right? Meaning the conversion rates are higher. So you always want to split test different offers. I mean, the same offer from different networks. Okay, that's one way. Okay, also you want to split test 3 to 4 different offers in the beginning. Okay, and the reason why you want to split test different offers, guys, is because, like I said before, the number one variable in the campaign to be a success is going to be your offer. Okay, you want to split test 3 different offers. You don't ever want to put all your eggs in one basket. Otherwise, you're gonna cut yourself short, and then you're gonna spend all this time and money into one offer, and then to find out it's just not profitable, right? So what you want to do is you want to split test 3 different offers, right? And then let them run for around 3 days, and then whichever offer performs the best, right? And I'm not saying it's going to be profitable right off the bat, okay, because it's most likely not. But whichever one performs the best, meaning has the best conversion rates, the best EPCs, and also, is the one closest to break even, that's the one you want to go to. Okay, you want to go with the path to least resistance. Okay, guys, don't make your life harder than it already is. All you have to do is split test 3 different offers, get the best performing offer, and then move down the optimization process. Okay, so that's the first variable you want to test. Okay, as you can see, the second variable is going to be the targeting. Now this goes with, like I said, all the channels that I mentioned. Okay, you want to split test different targeting because if you do not know where the traffic is coming from that is actually good traffic, then the whole rest of the optimization process is going to fall apart. Because if you try split testing ads on bot traffic, right? Like I'm talking about like placements, websites that are just completely filled with bot and just really crappy placements, your whole split test is going to be off. You're not going to get statistical significance off of bot traffic, guys. Okay, so you need to make sure that once you find your good offer, you're starting to test the traffic. Okay, and the way you'll know that the traffic is actually good or not is the conversions. Okay, so if you've just, like I said, you split tested the offers in the beginning, now you're split testing the traffic. Well, when the traffic comes in, it's going to be able to tell you, okay, you know what, these widgets or these placements or these websites are actually converting for my offer, right? And then you're going to get all the websites that just pretty much are crap. So you're just going to blacklist them. Just tell the traffic source you just do not want those websites anymore. So that way you can pause that and keep what works, right? So again, it's more of a feeling, guys. Like when you start, split testing the targeting, it's more of a feeling, because you're gonna know your campaign whether it's converting or not. And the way to really dictate if your targeting is good or not is your ROI. How is it day by day, right? Is it consistently hitting break even, slightly positive ROI? If it is, then that goes to show that you have good traffic. Now that you got good traffic, you're spending a good amount and you're getting conversions. Now it's time to go on to the ads, okay? Now, when I say ads, I really mean angles. All right. So the reason why I say angles is because, this is marketing, guys, like affiliate marketing. At the end of the day, it's marketing. And for me, in my experience, my offer is going to be the most important variable in the campaign, but my angle is going to give me the highest ROI. Okay. So you need to split test 3 to 4 different angles in the beginning. Okay. So let's just keep it with the number 3. Okay. So in the beginning, we split tested 3 different offers. Next, we want to split test 3 different angles. Okay, and this is going to be done in the initial setup, right? So it's going to be 3 different offers and 3 different angles per campaign. Okay. And the reason why, again, guys, is because, if let's just say you're split testing 3 different angles, 3 different ads, but they all have the same angle, right? And you're basically split testing the images. Okay, the images is not gonna make you a millionaire, guys. What's gonna get you success is the angle, because it's the way you're trying to actually cut into the market. Okay, so you can have different angles, like I don't know, like there's just so many different types of angles. Like how about let's talk about one for like a dog collar, right? Let's just say this dog collar will make your dog happy, right? You can have that certain angle, right? A happy dog, right? Or you can have a angle that's like, oh, if you guys don't put this collar on your dog, you might lose him forever, right? So one is about a happy dog, and then the other one's about the fear of losing the dog. See what I'm saying? You wanna actually split test these angles in the market to see what the audience tells you, okay? Because at the end of the day, we're just testing our ideas, okay? We don't dictate what's good or not, okay? Our customers do, our traffic does, our market does. And the way you're gonna figure that out is by split testing 3 to 4 different angles and then letting the conversions tell you what the answer is. Does that make sense, guys? So first, split test 3 different offers. Okay, once you find the best one, now it's time to go to the targeting. Okay, once the conversions are getting stable, at least somewhat stable and consistent, now you know you have good traffic, right? You pause the crap and you leave the good traffic. Okay, the next thing you want to do is split test the angles. Once you find the best angle, that angle, if you have a really good angle, guys, and you have a good offer, that angle mixed with the offer and the traffic, you should be profiting right now. Okay, and if you're not profiting by now, you should at least be close to profiting, at least break even, really nicely break even. Okay, guys? So that's the ads. The next thing that you guys are going to want to split test are going to be your landing pages. Okay, you want to test all the different types of landing pages you see out there. Okay, if you guys are actually a smart affiliate, you guys should be spying on your competitors like every single day. Okay, you guys got to be spying on your competitors, okay? And you want to see the landing pages that they're using, okay? And when I say split test landing pages, I mean split test completely different styles, okay? You have like these advertorial ones, right? We've all seen those Shark Tank ones, right? You have the squeeze pages, right? Just the one big old hero image with a big old headline and just one like little call to action. That's like a squeeze page type of landing page, okay? Test different colors and stuff like that of the style. I mean the style, guys. I don't mean just test green and red. That's not gonna make you successful. I'm talking about completely different landing page styles, okay, guys? And then once you find the best landing, you're gonna want to split test again another 3 different landing pages or whatever you find. Once you find the landing page that works good with your angle and your campaign, leave it alone. Now let's start split testing the extras, okay? These are gonna be like scripts, okay? And when I mean scripts, I mean like exit pops. I mean, back buttons, countdown timers, if that falls with your campaign. Just a whole bunch of little scripts that could actually, help the ROI of your campaign, guys. And trust me, guys, you guys want to be split testing scripts. They really, really help. I know exit pops work really good. If you guys are a little bit more of an aggressive affiliate, you guys can use countdown timers. But yeah, you want to. This is basically what you want to do, guys. Okay, you want to split test the scripts along with the landing pages. You only do that once you have a good landing page. Okay. Now this actual pyramid, I can't take credit for this pyramid. Okay. This is the optimization pyramid I found from a affiliate marketing forum called Mad Society. Okay, and this is years ago. This is years ago when I found this, but this is a really great visual pyramid that you guys can see for the optimization process. This is exactly what you guys want to do, whether you're an affiliate or if you're just doing a lead gen type of business, or you're running ads for a company or whatever, guys. Okay, you want to have a skill set. This is the skill set that you want to have. You want to have a process. Once you guys really understand how to do this in full, this is what's going to make you separate from a basic affiliate to a super affiliate, guys. You guys have to master the optimization process. This is a skill you can take across all the networks, guys. You need to know how to do this, okay? So it goes 1, you're going to want to split test 3 different offers. Okay? 2, now you got to move on to the targeting, okay? Kill the crappy placements, leave the good placements. Once it's consistent and somewhat stable, meaning the conversions are coming in, now you want to start split testing the ads. Okay, you want to have 3 different angles, and I would do 3 different images and 3 different headlines. Okay, keep the one that works the best, pause the rest. Right? Landing pages, test all your competitors' landing pages. Even if you're a little bit more experienced, I would try to create my own. But if you're not that experienced, I would just stick with just testing my competitors and then just seeing which one performs best. The last thing you guys want to do is just add in scripts, and then whatever scripts work good, leave it on the landing page. If they don't, just turn it off. Okay, guys. So this is exactly what it is. Okay, guys. So this is the optimization process. Take this with you. Screenshot the screen, whatever you want to do, because this is what's gonna help you guys in generating profitable campaigns. Okay, and keep in mind, guys, when you guys are launching campaigns, sometimes your first set of 3 offers are not gonna make you profitable. If you go to just have the system for your optimization, and if your whole optimization system doesn't work, you got to reevaluate your offer. It might just mean you have a bad offer. Okay, guys? All right, guys, that's basically all I have for today. I kind of went over it a little bit quickly. I actually took this snapshot right here, the optimization process, from a webinar I did on how to profit from Revcontent. Okay, if you guys are interested in learning how to go a little bit more in depth, the whole entire process that I'm mentioning right now in terms of optimization, I have a link in the description below. You guys can go ahead and watch that free training. Okay, guys? Also, if you guys are having trouble creating landing pages or anything like that, I also have a link for ClickFunnels. Go ahead and get ClickFunnels. It's a free 14-day trial. You guys can go ahead and get access to that and start building up landing pages for free for 14 days, right? Okay. Oh, one more thing. I'm gonna start creating courses. Okay, I know, these YouTube videos are it's just something I do just to really help you guys out, but I really want to start creating courses and really going really in depth on everything, guys. I really want to take you guys from 0 to 6 figures in a year, even less than that. It can happen. Okay, so I'm gonna start making courses, so please be aware for those. And as always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.